Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this purple drag marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whatever is your personal favorite. For this manicure, I'm going to be using Alloy Matey as the base color, and on the second coat, I'm going to be drag marbling using Wistful Water Lily. I have a small lid and I'm going to put out a little bit of the pink before I apply the purple. Then once I add a coat of the purple while it's still wet, I'm going to drag marble with the pink. if you happen to swirl in the wrong direction or just have a design that you don't particularly like, you can actually go ahead and do another layer of drag marble right on top, as I did for a few nails. And once I'm done with all my nails, I'm going to go ahead and do some cleanup with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. And then once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish off with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I wanted to do something fairly simple, and this ended up being really quick because I was able to keep the drag marble all on the nail and I didn't need to do a lot of cleanup. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can check out the shimmer. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, which includes the testing for this, that's up now over on my VODs channel. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.